हेलो बच्चों, तो कैसे हैं आप लोग। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक हाई रीच इज़ ओवर हाइप्ड। हेयर आर द टॉप 4 हाई रीच अल्टरनेटिव्स के बारे में है। तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। डिस्कवर द टॉप 3 हाई रीच अल्टरनेटिव्स सेल्स रोबोट डग सॉफ्ट एंड पेंटामोबस्टर्स बट फाइंड द परफेक्ट लिंकिंग automations tools to boost your business growth and efficiency. Are you tired of a high reach? You not alone. Many startups and sales business are looking for new LinkedIn automation tools. Most high reach alternatives promises amazing results on paper, but will be end up disappointing you. Lately, high reach has been letting its user down with issues like slow customer support for simple queries, trouble settings, LinkedIn accounts too complex for beginners, baggy performance. With all these problems, customers wonder if there's better options. Spoiler alert, there is. In this blog, I shares the top 4 high-reach alternatives that cloud transforms your LinkedIn outreach game. Sales robot duck soaps, Pantoma busters daily. We compared the tools based on key factors like safety, personalizations, LinkedIn limits, bypass, real-time analysis, ease of use, pricing, white labels options, and more. If you are short on times, check out the comparisons tables. If you have 5 extra minutes, finds into the blog offer disperse understandings on the ideal tools for your needs. You and I know that each tool has its own strengths, which makes it hard to pick the best ones. But don't worry, is the help you choose the perfect tools for your needs. Here's what I covering in this blogs. New to high reach, I give you the lockdowns and wondering if high reach is the right for you. We'll break it down. Crucial about high reach features and pricings, we got you covered. Already using high reach discovers the top 5 user issues. Thinking of switching from high reach, we rounded up the top 3 alternatives for you to explore. Missing out on any of these alternatives means missing out on potential growth and efficiency for your business. Stick with me and let's find the perfect high reach alternatives together. What is high reach? High reach is a LinkedIn automation tools that make it easy to find the connects with the potential clients on LinkedIn. Here's what high reach is the best at. Helps you connect multiple accounts to add same campaign to scale your outreach. Helps user to reach out to decision makers via LinkedIn on autopilot. Helps keep track on your leads by integrating your favorite CRM. Help you create complex outreach sequences. So far, the tools look cool, right? Well, then let's find out if you should be using HighReach or not. Who should use HighReach? HighReach is designed to tackle LinkedIn limits by using multiple accounts in one campaign. This tool is not meant for individuals but for agencies and bigger sales teams because it sequences managing several LinkedIn accounts to be effective. If you have the small teams of 5 users, you might need to buy fake LinkedIn accounts to scale LinkedIn's outreach. What is high reach used for? Here, high reach lets you send unlimited connections, requests, and messages from multiple synchronized accounts. Here are its top 4 features. Use multiple accounts is one campaign. Connect as many accounts as you want to a single campaign and scale your outreach. Find, extract, and cleans data. The tool extracts data from LinkedIn's URLs and ensures you get only cleans and relevant data, not yours if they are integrated with verified email and phone numbers. Unified inbox. If you manage all conversation for multiple LinkedIn accounts in one inbox, this makes it easier to keep track of potential prospects. Native CRM integrations. You can sync all your prospect data with your CRMs in one click. You no need for export import CSVS. It has ton of other features to use, but the burning question is how much does HighReach cost? Earlier, HighReach had three pricing options. Pick what suits you best. Starter plan $79 month per LinkedIn's accounts. Export leads unified export API is the webhook integrations, and you have the 10 plus LinkedIn accounts. You will be charged $59 month accounts. All features include ads, 14 days free trials, agency plans, $799 month for up to 50 accounts. Ideal for agencies with two plans to choose from the business coverage scalability. It includes everything the starter plans and premium support as well as brings your proxies. You can white label and tools for an extra $500 a month. Unlimited plans $1,999 month and for unlimited accounts. Everything is the agency plans plus you get extra whitables branding and includes our dedicated accounts managers. The tool lists prices fairly and has some good features, but it lags behind in the real world. And it's not me saying this, but HighReach customers have said no. Find out what users are saying about is the next section. Why should are looking for outreach alternatives? Here are the top 5 reasons to look for a HighReach alternatives. Customer support takes time to reply. Looks like their customer support is crawling. If you have a questions, get ready for long waits for answers. This could be a disaster for your comparing trips. Who know how many potential customers you lose while you stuck on hold. Sometimes you cannot add LinkedIn accounts. Forget a smooth experience. Adding your LinkedIn account is a nightmare for their users. Imagine paying $30 plus only to be stuck on day one. Frustrating, right? This happened to these customers. Analytics is encouraged. We all know data is leaking, but goods is slow. And reliable logi data could leave you paralyzed, unable to make the crucial pivots in your LinkedIn strategy and miss out on the precious lead. Like HighReach did this users. Learning curve is steep. This tool is exactly plug and play. Be prepared to invest some serious time and getting comfortable when it's for you might end up. No multi-channel sequence can do required emails. What are the key features of stakeholders and Sundays to run a campaign? HighReach is limited to LinkedIn only. Don't believe me, read this. Via LinkedIn or cold emails. Notes. Pro tips. Unite things are expensive compared to outreach, but aren't getting the multiple channels outreach to the streets of just a LinkedIn automation tools. Sales robot versus HighReach. Which tool should you choose? I create sales robots, but I want to be dishonest and just tell you to buy it. Instead, let's explore why each tool might be a good fit for you. 2. HighReach alternative bugs soup. If you want an affordable LinkedIn automation tool as a single user. Adding prospect to list. Multiple campaign starter setups. Bugsoft allows you to run multiple campaigns at once so you can target different types and prospect with different messages. Teams and individual users use the CRMs manage to follow up activities, the meetings, and what is the pricing. The cloud does plans the individuals $99 per month or $74.16 per month when billed annually. The cloud deluxe plans for individuals $99 per month or $74.16 per month when billed annually. Agency plan. The Pro Dukes and agency is $3,037 per $50 per month. You must have 30 plus seats. Although Device is more affordable and support multi-channel sequence, customers have not been satisfied it. High reach alternatives, Phantom Busters if you want to scrap plus automate LinkedIn and other platforms like Twitter, Instagram. Phantom Busters all the cloud-based automation tools, spreadsheet, entries data and emails. Panther Busters is all fill gaps with the email addresses. All these automations look interesting and logically the next question is what is pricing automations? Does not respect privacy. Even after unsubscribing from their emails address, they kept customers and email marketing list. Here reach and alternative deeply designed and advanced LinkedIn search filter directly profiles URL imports. Track performance metrics, unlock your network, verify goals and LinkedIn profiles URLs. Get instantly alerts, connection and messages deeply the joins 3 plans. Deeply versus hyper reach, which tools should you choose? Risk of getting your LinkedIn account banned, poor customer support, or billing issues similar to outreach, encoded analytics, deep learning curves generating more leads. Business just like the customers. If you are interested, takes our 14 days trial. We don't ask your phone numbers, email address, or credit card info. See more next video. Take care. Bye.